Hey there! Today I'll show you how you can easily design a voting machine. In this project we have used two Arduino controller to create an electronic voting machine. So let's get started. The components needed for our projects are Arduino Uno, 16x2 LCD, push button, breadboard, battery and connecting wires. So we needed these things for our project. Now I am explaining the circuit diagram and functionality. In this project we have used 5 push buttons for different candidates and result. You can increase how many candidates you want. Pressing any of the 4 buttons will increase the value of the vote at once. After whole voting we will press result button to see the result. As the result button is pressed, Arduino calculates the total votes of each candidate and show it on LCD display. Circuit of this project is quite easy. Here we have added 5 buttons. The first one is for the BGP, the second is for the INC, the third is for the AAP, the fourth is for OATH means others, and the last button is used to calculate or display the result. The 5 push buttons are directly connected with pin A1 to A5 of Arduino with respect to ground. The 16x2 LCD is connected with Arduino in 4-bit mode. Control pin RS, RW and EN are directly connected to Arduino pin 12, ground and 11. And data pin D4 to D7 is connected to pin 5, 4, 3 and 2 of Arduino. So after wiring complete, it looks like this. Now power on the Arduino board by connects your computer using the USB cable. Before we work on our sketch, make sure to download the Arduino IDE for your specific operating system. I'll leave a link in my description box where you download the software and code. You can check it. So this is our whole program. First of all, we include header and define pins for LCD and then initialize some variables and pin for taking candidates voting input means switch. After it, initialize the LCD and give direction to input-output pins. And then make pull up the input pin by software. In code, we have used digital read function to read button pressed and then displaying voting on the LCD with the candidate party's name. Now we verify our program. You can see there is no problem shown in the black box. Now go to the tools, make sure you select the board which you use for your project and also make sure that you select the port which you use. Then click the upload button. After uploading the program on Arduino board, connect a battery to provide power supply to the circuit. After power supply, you can see the output will appear on the LCD display. That's for today. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe this channel.